Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to look at how we can find customer details using the AI companion in Priority. To activate the companion, we'll click on the stars at the top right-hand corner. That'll activate our companion, and we can ask it to show us the customer details. It'll do some thinking, and we can then see the customer details. We can also ask it to show us the invoice contacts or customer contacts for this customer. And we can see here it's shown us the contact and all of its details. Thank you.